Hey.
Shit!
What's your problem?
Damn!
Stop! Oh!
What?
I'll explain.
Hey, you!
Hey, stop!
Damn!
Hey, what
Later,
are
sorry.
you doing?
Hey, wait!
What the? Get out of my way!
I'm sorry.
What the? Whoa! I'm sorry! Forgive me!
Give me my ticket.
I don't have it anymore!
Cut the crap.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! An employee ran off with the money! Please don't hurt me! I got a wife and kids!
That's your problem. I still don't have the ticket I paid for.
Here, take this. Take it to the Philippines.
I don't need this.
I'm planning to skip town tonight. See, I'm broke, bankrupt, cleaned out. I can't get no ticket anywhere.
Quit lying! Who's that skinhead?
I don't know for sure, but I think he's connected to the Mad Angels.
Mad Angels? Where are they?
I can't tell. They'll kill me.
Tell me!
The harbor.
Who's their boss?
I don't know, but they extort from the harbor workers. If you worked there, you'd meet them.
Why is that?
Because they always harass the new guys.
The harbor.
Let me pop my shit. I can get them haters off my dick. You know I drop my nuts when I drop my shit. And I'm the type to keep it quiet, don't speak. They'll never know it's me when they block get hit. My mama told me I should go and holler at my brother just to let him know we all be having problems and we love him. It's traumatizing, you know how we started in the gutter. Now I'm chilling with my daughter in the goddamn mansion, just waiting on a nigga watching goddamn cameras. She cold, nigga, I'm the goddamn answer. Beast mode, I'ma beat the goddamn cancer. I don't really give a fuck about how you felt, homie. Put the alphabet on him, put the AR on him, put the F and N on him, get the shooting at a nigga out the goddamn dancing. Yeah, you know I keep the blip with this extension, never folding under pressure. No, I love it when it's tension, no, I love it when it's questions in my motherfucking mission. Know these bitches being missing, need some love and some attention. Niggas say I got no flow, they better motherfucking listen. I be switching up my flow, where I'm switching niggas bitches. I'm a different type of nigga, you a different type of beat. Screenshots sitting out another nigga dick. Riding around town on another nigga dick. Leaving all them comments on another nigga shit. Your best friend dead is what he motherfucking get. Know he like to shake niggas like a motherfucking bitch. Nigga better go and check my background, nigga. Lay a finger on me, nigga getting clapped down, nigga. All the friendly ass rappers never shot nan, nigga. All you capping ass niggas need a cap down, nigga. Yeah. What the fuck these niggas wanna do? People thinking like the fight, but I be really trying to shoot. Bitch, ain't hearing niggas like they got on mute. Switch, I'm pulling up and I ain't trying to hoop. It's a nigga that's the motherfucking truth. I ain't tryna be your friend, I ain't clicking with your crew. No, I'm never in my feelings, I'm just trying to get the loot. I been rapping for a minute, nigga, fucking make it through. I take the blogs, no we fucking shit, but fuck it, that's my boo. She always staring at me, she be telling me I'm cute. I always keep it on me, she'll tell you I'm a shoot. My house is fucking big, ain't even using half the room. It's hot outside, I actually forgot I had a pool. Football field, a nigga going in the field. Basketball court, a nigga going NBA. R&B trigger, try to fuck it every day. Fuck it, shit, we can go body for body. He got too many hoes, let's go thotty for thotty. I'm not looking for problems, he try me, he try. I got white people fans, look like Scotty too high. Not looking for drama, the drama combined. She don't look like my mommy, I call her my mom. Not trusting nobody, don't fuck with nobody. Not trying to resign me, they trying to resign me. I hope you're not offended shit, but I'm not really interested. You don't like take a chance, but you reaping all the benefits. Cool, but you're not cool enough for me, and I'm not feeling it. My heart's no longer in it, forgot who you was dealing with. Give me mine, nigga.
Toy capsules. 100 yen each, huh? Maybe just one. I know this. Maybe I should get another. Changed my mind. One game, 100 yen. I'll give it a try. No good. Yeah. Yeah, that's the way. Yeah. Last one. No good. Whoa, the high score! Game over. That's enough for now.
You're home. I was worried.
I'm fine.
So, how was it?
Looks like there's no easy way to get to Hong Kong.
Really? Oh... I'm so sorry I couldn't help more. I'm really ashamed. There must be something else I can do.
It's okay, Fukusan. It's the thought that counts.
Ryo-san...